Have you ever wondered what drives progress? What ignites the spark of innovation in a world hungry for change? And who stands at the forefront of turning dreams into reality? At Elecaas, we're not just asking questions, we're answering them. Welcome to a world where every challenge is an opportunity, and every idea is a stepping stone to greatness. Nestled in the heart of the UAE, Elecaas isn't just a name. It's a beacon of hope, a symbol of excellence, and a testament to what's possible when passion meets purpose. With certifications and memberships that speak volumes about our commitment to quality and innovation, Elecaas is the trusted partner of choice for industries far and wide. From circuit board assembly to software development, our expertise knows no bounds. Elecaas offers not just services, but solutions tailored to your every need. But what truly sets Elecaas apart is our dedication to continuous improvement. Every day, we strive to push the boundaries of what's possible and redefine the standards of excellence. Exceptional service isn't just a promise, it's our legacy. We don't just meet deadlines, we redefine and exceed them. But above all, we're partners in progress. At Elecaas, our true difference is in the quality of our products and rooted in the development of our journey toward consistent innovation. Experience that difference. Experience Elecaas. Elecaas, empowering innovation for a better tomorrow.